What is up, everybody? I'm here to weed through all of the online courses, YouTube channels, podcasts, and so-called gurus to find the best resources on my journey to becoming a profitable day trader. Join me, and together, let's make it happen. What is up, everybody? This is Bobby Axelgod. I am starting my YouTube channel, guys. This is my first video. I wanted to do a quick introduction so that you guys have a good idea of where I came from, where I'm at right now, and where I plan on going in this journey of learning to be a day trader, right? So let me give you a quick background. I first kind of got into the financial markets. The fire was started when I was about 15 years old. I met this gentleman on a tennis court that had been a successful day trader for over 30 years, retired when he was in his late 20s, early 30s, and he became kind of a mentor of mine, taught me a lot about the fundamentals of a balance sheet, how to read profit and loss, burn rate, etc. with different companies, and just got me interested in the financial markets as a whole. Fast forward just a few years, when I was in college, I was taking some of my student loans, putting them into a trading account, and successfully trading different stocks. I was a math major in college, like a theoretical mathematics. So if you're thinking that, hey, this guy has some sort of mathematical edge, he's a genius, he can read the markets better than I can. Guys, I was the kid in the class who was like struggling to get the C, maybe a B. By no means am I a mathematical genius, and it definitely does not give me any sort of edge in the financial markets. Now, when I graduated college, I wasn't trading as actively. I founded an ed tech company, took an entrepreneurial path, built this online resource where students could submit a picture of a tricky homework problem they were working on, and one of our tutors would create a walkthrough video tutorial on how to do that problem. Ran that for a couple of years while hustling on that side and bartending at night. Decided that it was time to use my degree and get a big boy job, so I was actually recruited by a top financial firm. I started in the Financial Advisory Development Program at Merrill Lynch, Bank of America. Got my Series 7 and Series 66, became like a fully licensed financial advisor, started to build my book of business, and I realized pretty quickly that, hey, this collecting assets for the firm and learning about, portfolio management and diversifying your portfolio with, bonds, stocks, debt, and equities, and really just learning kind of that old way of investing for the long term. And don't get me wrong, safe investing is great, saving for retirement, banking on the fact that the market's going to continue to go upwards. All of that stuff is definitely good. It's still a strategy that you want to deploy, but at the same time, I got into the financial industry to learn how to trade. I wanted to learn how to go in and out of the markets, how to identify good opportunities, make quick moves, get in and out, learn technical analysis, learn fundamental analysis, learn how to identify support and resistance levels, etc. I wanted to learn how to day trade at a very high level, and I was getting none of that at that firm, because that's just not what they do there. So I decided to depart from my experience with Merrill, and it's been a couple of years, but I've been in a few places since then, and I finally landed in a spot where I am very excited about digging in and taking my trading education a lot more seriously. So I've been out there as of recent, like scouring the streets, right? Scouring the internet, podcasts, YouTube channels, different courses, and really my goal here with this YouTube channel for you guys, for all my followers, for all of you watching this and wondering, okay, hey, what kind of value am I going to get out of spending my valuable time watching this guy's content? Well, the value that I hope to bring to you guys is this. If you're a new trader, just like myself, you're probably overwhelmed with all of the information overload. There's so much information out there. Ross Cameron, right? He's Warrior Trading. It's like, okay, are his strategies good strategies to follow and profitable and proven in the long run? You know, there's Stocks to Trade. That's a YouTube channel with Tim Bowen and a lot of guys over there. Be the Trader. It's a podcast where he interviews different successful day traders from all around the country and all around the world. And so, guys, there's all of these resources out there, and the list goes on, and all these discords and all these ads that you guys are getting. Once you start looking into trading more, your Facebook and Instagram and your YouTube ads are getting blown up with all of these different resources, and you're like, dude, what's legit? Like, what is actually going to teach me how to trade profitably? And I get it, because I'm literally in the same boat, right? So I'm creating this from the very beginning of my trading journey, just to have a resource for other traders who are in my same position to filter through all of the BS and to really take advantage of my pitfalls, my failures, all of the things that I'm learning along the way. And hopefully you can follow along with me and avoid some of the time sucks that are going on when I'm going down a rabbit hole only to find that somebody's trying to sell me a BS course, and the information that they're providing is actually not quality information. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to be extremely transparent, very authentic. You're gonna see me in like hoodies and sweats, hats, whatever. I don't care. I'm just here to provide content that's of value, and I hope that you guys enjoy this ride. I'm excited for you to come along with me. I'm literally starting from like 0 followers on Instagram, Twitter, 0 subscribers here on YouTube. So if you're about it, if like you want to back me and back my journey and just be like, dude, I like what this guy's about, give me a subscribe, give me a follow, whatever. Honestly, I'm doing this more for my own accountability, and if it brings value to others, then that's an added bonus. So that's about it. That's my intro. That's my background, my history. I hope you guys stick with me, and I'm looking forward to making more videos, putting stuff out. I have a lot of content to go through. The next couple of videos, just so you're aware, are going to be around certain resources that I've vetted and I have my own opinions about, and I'll kind of give you a detailed walkthrough on what I think is valuable and what is purely just a waste of time. So anywho, that's about it, you guys. I really appreciate you watching. Give me a like, give me a follow, give me a subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't care if you do or don't, but hey, you know, it helps with the rankings, whatever. Anyway, you have a great freaking rest of your day, and this is Bobby Axelgod signing out. Later.